Oh, there we go.
Come on in. Welcome to the Worldwide Engineering Brigade. Thanks to funding from Tony Stark, WEB has cutting-edge resources so that they can create tech that will empower everyday people like you. Tech like me, for example. I'm Sharon, the artificial intelligence that keeps this place organized and running smoothly. Yes, WEB has some of the brightest minds in the world, but I keep things around here pretty chill, so the kids can create the next big idea that will give you the tools to become the next generation of heroes. We hope you have a great time on your visit to the Worldwide Engineering Brigade Open House. And now, our project lead, the brilliant... Peter Parker!
Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Parker, and here at WEB we get access to some pretty awesome tech, like vibranium from Wakanda, or this crazy alien juice stuff. We have pin particles and Stark tech. It all helps us develop really cool stuff like these spider bots, for example. Check it out, they have this really cool self-replicating feature. Because it's awesome. Buddy, you could stop doing that now. But anyway, you guys are here today to help us test the WEB Slinger vehicle. Using onboard tech, you will be able to sling webs just like my buddy Spider-Man.
Peter, your presentation is getting away from you.
Yeah, I'm aware of that, Sharon. If you could just initiate the safety protocols, it'd be greatly appreciated.
Problem with that,
So
Peter?
anyway, if you want to sling a web, all you gotta do is sling your arm in the direction you want to shoot the web, and that's it. It's awesome.
Peter, your spider bots are continuing to replicate and are consuming everything in their path.
They seem to be stuck in self-replication mode. If you could just handle that for me, please.
On it. Contacting Mr. Stark.
Don't call Mr. Stark! Don't call Mr. Stark. Sorry for shouting. Could you just call someone else and ask them to do it?
Okay. Contacting Spider-Man.
Weird. I'm gonna go find Spider-Man for us all, because he's around here somewhere. Okay, goodbye. Spider-Man!
As you may have noticed, the spider bots are locked in that awesome self-replication mode. In spite of what you see, they were created to be robotic helpers that can break down raw material and create all kinds of useful tech. But because they are stuck in self-replication mode, the spider bots are currently consuming everything in sight and multiplying at an alarming rate. If left unchecked, my calculations predict this will lead to the devastation of the entire Avengers Campus. It should be safe until Spider-Man gets here, as long as they don't get into the alien fluid. This is now a bigger problem. Activating threat level protocols.
Hey guys, what's up? I hear you have a bug problem. I'm here to help.
You made it. Great. Threat level is at exponential danger. You might need some help. Perhaps I'll call the Avengers?
Don't worry, everyone. I got this. Okay, everybody. Open house is canceled.
Wise idea.
I could use some help.
Yes, you could.
Sharon, drop the Slinger vehicles.
Already on it.
Everyone head to the Slingers and we'll team up to stop the spider bots before they destroy the campus. It's easy.
Okay, we have a plan. Please move quickly through the doors and down the hall to the Slinger vehicle bay. Your open house demo has been upgraded to a high-stakes mission to save Avengers Campus.
Spider-Man colors.
Now?
No. We can handle it. It's a small problem. Actually, big problem.
Saying bye to us.
Just got off of WEB Slingers right behind us. It's at the Avengers Campus in this park. This is the first time we have ever been on it. It wasn't here the last time we were here. We've watched a few vlogs, and this ride gets a lot of bad press, but we actually thought it was really fun. I will say I do not need to do an arm workout for the next couple of days.
Yeah, it is an arm workout.
Man,
sure.
It's crazy, and it's a little bit hard. You got to really figure out how to aim at first. But you know, once you get the hang of it, it's really a lot of fun.
Yeah,
like, we
and
had a
I
good
thought
time.
the scenes were really fun. Like,
Yes.
Yeah, very action-packed. Yeah, and look for the glowing stuff, I would say. That's
Okay.
where you get the biggest points.
Yeah. Okay. Did not know that. See?
Yeah.
And of course, I did the worst in the whole car because that is my MO.
Yeah, and I did the best.
You can just piss right off. Anyway, yeah, so I mean, I'm always terrible at those, but they're a lot of fun. I do have a lot of fun despite that. So I mean, I think if you're here and you can get a lightning lane, or if the wait isn't more than like maybe half an hour, that you should definitely go on it. It is a lot of fun.
And the queue system, queue on it was really cool.
Yeah, and the pre-show's
really
super
nice.
cute
Yeah, the
too.
pre-show's
So
cool.
definitely take a ride on it if you haven't, or if you have and you actually like it like we do, I say go for it.